This is the Amazon Alexa smart plug. Unboxing. Including the package is a smart plug and user manual. I'm just going to show the user manual really quick. So the smart plug is made for US plugs. It's also fire resistant, ABS. Here's the manual on off. Here I'm going to go through the setup and settings options. So first thing you want to do is set up the app, which is this one. So just follow these steps for proper installation of the smart plug, and then you have to enable the app for it to work through the Alexa. So once you have registered and completed the set process, you can manually turn on and off the switch. And so what I did was pretty much just press the on off power button. You can also do a schedule. You can set up the schedule here. You can set it up for one day, multiple days, every day. You can also rename it, so you could rename it to the device that's turned on and off, or the location, pretty much the room. So here I'm going to connect the app through the Amazon Alexa and enable it. Once I connect it and enable the app, I'm able to control it through the Amazon Alexa app or through just talking to Amazon Alexa. Here I'm just showing how to turn on off the device through the app. You can also verbally control it through Amazon Alexa by just verbally saying off, on, or off. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe.